Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a theme in Facebook Messenger chat. If you're ready to ditch the default look and customize your Messenger conversations, here I'm going to show you how you can add personality, colors, and flair to your private messages and group chats. So what you need to do is just open the Messenger applications on your device. Then just select the chat that you want to customize its theme. For example, I'm going to go with this one's right here. You can just click on the info at the top and there will be the theme option. Under the customization settings, click on theme, and in here you'll see there are lots of themes that you can choose. For example, I'm going to go with this one. Now you can select and it will be applied. Here, if you go to the theme option again, you will also see the create with AI option for the theme. You can use that feature also. Click on continue. Then you can just describe the theme that you want to create. For example, I'm going to go with a cat and a dog hugging. I'm going to just go with that. You can just click on send, and Meta AI will create the theme for you. Okay, so here's the theme. You can just click on the three dots icon to give the feedback, and you can click on next at the top. In here to apply, you can just click on create options. Now the theme has been changed. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.